If you need to reset two-factor authentication on DoorDash, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visit the DoorDash website on your computer. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Log into your account, then navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Within the Account Settings, look for the Security or Privacy section. Find the option for two-factor authentication and select it to proceed. Step 4. Choose Reset option. In the two-factor authentication settings, you should see an option to reset or disable the feature. Click on this option to initiate the reset process. Step 5. Follow verification steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This may involve receiving a code via email or SMS. Once verified, you can set up two-factor authentication again if desired. After completing these steps, you should have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on DoorDash. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for further assistance.